Filter Dict to contain only certain keys. I've got a Dict that has a whole bunch of entries. I'm only interested in a select few of them. Is there an easy way to prune all the other ones out?
Here's an example in Python 2.6. The filtering part is the if statement. This method is slower than Delnan's answer if you only want to select a few of very many keys.
Constructing a new dict. Uses dictionary comprehension. If you use a version which lacks them, i.e. Python 2.6 and earlier, make it dict, key, old_dict, key, for ... It's the same, though uglier. Note that this, unlike JNNNN's version, has stable performance, depends only on number of your underscore keys, for old_dicts of any size. Both in terms of speed and memory. Since this is a generator expression, it processes one item at a time, and it doesn't look through all items of old_dict. Removing everything in place.
This one-liner lambda should work. Here's an example. It's a basic list comprehension iterating over your dict keys, I in X, and outputs a list of tuple, key, value, pairs if the key lives in your desired key list, Y. A dict wraps the whole thing to output as a dict object.
Slightly more elegant dict comprehension.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.